Welcome back to Wascooks. So today we're making white choc Rocky Road, all ready for Christmas, although you can make this any time of the year that you'd like. So let's have a look at what we've got today, something nice and sweet. So here's all our ingredients, and you'll find the recipe at the end of this video. So the first ingredients you're going to need is some white chocolate galettes, some butter and some golden syrup. Now with the syrup you can get yourself into some sticky situations, so here's a few quick tips. So we've got a jug, we're going to pop some hot water in that, some boiling water if it's okay, a little bit cooler if you're younger. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pop our syrup in the bowl in there, okay, and we're going to leave that, and that's going to make it nice and liquidy. Then also what you can do is you can pop your spoon, which you're going to measure your syrup with, pop that in the hot water as well. Then as you can see, our syrup's nice and liquidy now. Okay, so what you do, pop that out, nice hot spoon. Okay, so the syrup doesn't stick to your spoon. Fantastic, look at that dribble out, nice and easy, no mess whatsoever, absolutely brilliant, it's a game changer. So we've got our first three ingredients, we've got the syrup, now we're going to add our white chocolate galettes to it, okay, and then we are going to add our butter. Alright, notice this is in a plastic bowl because we're going to use the microwave. Over we go to the microwave. Now we're going to set this on a medium heat, okay, because we're just melting. Pop it on about 2 minutes, okay, depending on your strength of microwave. Then we pop our bowl in, okay, obviously making sure it's a plastic bowl because we're using the microwave, and then we'll pop that shut. Okay, so our chocolate should be just about ready. So we're going to take that out, and notice it's only about half done. So we don't want to heat it up too much. We literally just want to melt everything together. Okay, so give that a little stir with a spatula or a large spoon. And there you go, look at that chocolatey goodness. So next is our digestive biscuits, and we're just going to crush those down with our hand roughly. Okay, like I say, you could use any sort of biscuits, some Oreos if you're doing a dark chocolate one. You know, you can use this recipe basically however you want to. Okay, different flavors, different textures. Lovely. So go ahead and add the biscuit crumbs to our mixture. Then we go in with our Rice Krispies, okay, dried cranberries, and closely followed by some marshmallowy, spongy goodness. So we're going to stir all of that in, all of that together, get right in there, okay, give it a good stir. Once that's all mixed together, let's get that into a lined tin, okay, look at that. Then getting your spatula, you want to press all that down and even it all out, okay. Once we've evened that all out, like I'm doing here, then we're going to chill that for at least about an hour, okay, in a fridge. And here we are, as if by magic, it's 2 hours later and it's all set and ready. So we're going to pop that out onto a board, okay. Okay, taking our knife on our board, we're just going to cut that. So I'm going to cut this into about 16 pieces. And there's your rocky road, be it for Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, anytime. Enjoy and have a great Christmas and New Year.